Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Janine Tabara. I am 29 years old. I am single and my highest education is a high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family for financial needs and to support my brothers in their studies.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have working experience in abroad, specifically in Kuwait for 2 years and 2 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities in my previous employer is cleaning the house, cleaning the garden, ironing clothes, washing the dishes, washing their clothes, and everything and every household chores.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
No, I don't have experience in childcare, but as for personally, I have niece that I took care of.
Can you tell us how can you take care of a baby?
I help their mother. I help to take care of them by bathing them and giving them food and watching over them, especially when their mother or my sister is not at home.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My skills is cooking, especially Arabic food and Filipino food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I think the best trait for being a good worker or helper is being trustworthy, honest, and hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
I hope you could find me as a helper because I am trustworthy, I am hardworking, and I am honest. Thank you very much and hope you will choose me. See you in Hong Kong soon.